In a bustling office, a heated rivalry brewed over the coffee machine. Two employees, Jake and Linda, transformed their coffee breaks into a fierce competition. Each day, they devised increasingly outrageous ways to outdo each other, from creating extravagant lattes to brewing mysterious potions. One day, chaos ensued when they both attempted to get the last bag of special coffee beans, leading to an epic tug-of-war. In the end, laughter erupted as they realized their rivalry had brought the entire office together for a joyful coffee party.